Welcome to the Transfusion Medicine Data Portal support video series. These videos have been developed to support British Columbia's transfusion medicine staff and stakeholders in accessing and analyzing their transfusion medicine data from BC's Central Transfusion Registry. This video provides information about the data set in the whole unit cubes of the Transfusion Medicine Data Portal and an example search. The whole unit cubes contains the following data. It regards components only, so that's fresh products including red blood cells, platelets, and plasma. It looks at the statuses of transfused, expired, and discarded. There are no shipped records in the whole unit cube. It provides the counts of whole units. No aliquots are counted. And there is no recipient-related data in this cube. So let's take a look at the sample cube for whole units and do a quick search. After logging in to the Transfusion Medicine Data Portal, select the Cubes tab. Here you will see the Whole Unit Health Authority and Whole Unit Provincial cubes. The Health Authority cube will provide the data at your health authority level, and the Provincial cube provides a summary aggregate of the entire province's data. You'll notice that in this sample setup, the cube data is updated with sample data through May 31st, 2009, so we'll be looking at some older years. To begin, select the cube of interest and Run to open the parameters. We'll select 1 month to begin, and Submit to open the cube. So as noted, within this cube we see components only, red cells, platelets, plasmas, cryo, and, in this data set anyway, the occasional whole blood unit. If we wish to extend or shorten the date range that we're looking for, we do that through the parameter block. Let's expand this to a 6-month data set. By selecting the calendar, and double selecting the calendar, we can extend through June 30th and submit the updated request. So here are all records for all disposition statuses from January to June. If we wish to break this out and view a monthly trend, we can check our resources panel and find the time frame of interest. Click and hold to drag the time frame. We'll put these as columns this time. And now we see the total dispositions in each month in our health authority for each of the selected products. And again, because we are in whole units, even if a red cell was split into 2 different smaller aliquots, it is only counted once here. Let's do one more drill down, this time to expand on that disposition status. So to see how many were transfused, how many were expired, and how many were discarded, we can take disposition status, and let's make that a row header. After we see the orange bar, we can let go, and the cube expands to show the full data. In this case, we've made it so big, we have a little bit of opportunity to scroll. So if this is more information than we're looking for, let's say we're particularly interested in red blood cells, we can come all the way down and add our filter, plus to add a filter, and we're interested in a specific mnemonic. Remember with filters, while it looks like we can do more than one at once, it's important to do one at a time so that the system knows which ones are happening first. Wait for our filter list to appear and select the filter of interest. And now we can see by month the number of red cell units discarded, expired, and transfused within our region for a 6-month time frame. Up next, we'll take a look at the disposition cube, which is a little more complicated with a few more options. For more information about the CTR cubes and the whole unit cube, see Section 8 of the Transfusion Medicine Data Portal Manual. Visit the PBCO website for additional information or email the data portal to obtain user access forms, request training, or share any considerations and feedback. Next, we'll take a look at the disposition cubes and the types of data we can find inside those.